crying because my experiment failed. Good morning. It will be exciting if my gel has run properly. If the DNA has been separated on the gel, we'll see in a second. The gel has run, the blue dye is in the middle of the gel, and now it's incubating with neutralizing solution twice, and then I will stain it and then we'll see the result. I bet you expect me to present now a perfect result. Well, that's not what happens now. Now I'm telling you that I cannot present a result to you because the experiment failed. And why is that? Well, this is part of a scientist's life. Experiments can fail. I'm very sad. Yes, I am sad. It is frustrating if you work hard and then you don't have a result. But like I said, I repeat myself, it's part of a scientist's life. And it's not even part of a young scientist's life. It can happen to us all. What happens now? Yes, I am frustrated at this point. Still trying to smile and be positive. No, but joke aside, I really try to spread the message that failure and taking this very hard on oneself is so bad for surviving academia and science in general. Every researcher once in a while will come to a point where something is just not working out. Imagine you do some work and everything you do always turns out perfect. Well, that's great. But what happens if you run into a problem at some point? One very big skill that scientists have is problem solving and being analytical. So I am convinced, and that's why I also tell it to my students that I supervise in the lab, that you can learn a lot when you fail sometimes. Obviously, it should not be the norm, things should work, but now here we are. My experiment failed. I worked 2 days, so what can we do? First of all, we accept and we process emotions. This is hay fever, I promise. I'm not crying because my experiment failed. It's okay to be angry, sad, frustrated. Yes. Well, now, it's important to document everything we did, to be able to analyze. And then we go into objectively reviewing what's happened, as objectively as possible. Is the failure technical or experimental? Then you troubleshoot. And this you can do alone, and you can also get feedback from colleagues. If you have some that have some experience in the method, even better.
We just do it again. One variable changed based on what we analyzed.
Also, sometimes you just can't get something running in your lab. Sometimes you have to consider to move on and just let go. It's a reality that not everything works in every lab. So I just wanted to put this out there as a snippet of real lab life, real scientific life. The important take-home message is stay cool, analyze, troubleshoot systematically, and adjust by varying one variable at a time. And don't be too hard on yourself. I wish somebody tells that to me. This morning I was so happy that it's not raining. And now it starts raining. I have to hurry up.